Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that can significantly improve your car's performance. First, locate the air filter housing, usually a black box near the front of the engine. Always make sure your engine is off and cool before you begin. You might need a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket for this job. Now, let's get that housing open. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the edges, or perhaps 4 to 8 small bolts that need unscrewing. Once these are loose, carefully lift the cover to reveal the old air filter. On some Honda Accord models, you might need to gently disconnect a small air intake boot or hose to give you enough room to work. With the housing open, it's time to remove the old filter. Just lift it out. You'll likely see how much dirt and debris it has collected. Take a moment to clean out any leaves or grit from inside the air filter box. Then, take your new filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits perfectly flush and secure with no gaps around the edges. To finish up, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into position. Make sure all the clips snap securely or that all the screws are tightened. Don't forget to reattach any hoses or intake boots you disconnected. That's it. You've successfully changed your engine air filter. This simple task helps your engine breathe easier, leading to improved performance and better fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.